While many traders are focused on NVIDIA's spike and pullback this week, I used it to improve my entire position. I rolled my covered call up to a higher strike, improved my put premium, and added shares. So instead of reacting to the short-term move, I used it as an opportunity to upgrade every part of the trade. Rather than try to predict where NVIDIA goes next, I'm responding to what it is doing right now. Let me show you exactly what I did. The current share price of NVIDIA is $199.35, which is down from an all-time high of $219.09 just a few days ago. So since April 27th, there's been a modest pullback to a little under $200 a share. And I can see that it was trading in this range of $195 to $205 for much of the last couple of weeks. When I'm trading this double Ferris wheel approach, I do like to have the strike price of my call higher than my put. So I'm going to roll both of these positions out today, the put to either 190 or 195, and the call to either 195 or 200. Let's start with the call, and I want to see how far I would have to roll this out to receive a net credit for the roll with a new strike at 200. So on this screen, the buy leg of the trade is the closing trade for the current open contract that expires today. The new contract will be a sell to open new call. So I'm going to change this strike price to 200. I'm going to look at some dates and see how far out in time I would need to go to get a net credit for this roll. If I roll it out 7 days, I would need to pay probably close to $600. If I roll it out 14 days, I'd still have to pay more than $400. A 3-week roll would cost me $50 or $60. And if I roll it out 4 weeks, I can get a net credit of probably $20 or $25. The goal of this roll is not so much to generate a high premium, but it's to raise the strike price to potentially capture an additional $1,000 of capital gains if these shares are called away. So even though I don't usually like to roll out 28 days, I'm going to go ahead and do it so I can position myself for more capital gains and potentially better rolls in the future. I'll ask $25, and if it doesn't fill in just a moment, I'll lower my ask to $20 or even $15. And I see here that it filled at $20. So now let's roll this $190 put out. If I keep the same strike price and roll out 7 days, I can bring in $98 or $99 for the roll. If I increase the strike price to $192.50, I can bring in $143. And if I raise it to $195, it looks like I could bring in $213, maybe $215. So even though the $195 strike feels a little uncomfortable, I think this is probably the best roll for several reasons. If I look here at the RSI, it is really low right now, and a low RSI down near this bottom line is almost always an indication that the share price is about to turn around. And even if this 195 put goes in the money, I think it would be easy to roll out next week. So I'm going to raise the strike price by $5 to get an extra $1 a share of premium, and that will actually give me enough premium on these two rolls to completely offset the cost of a new share. So I'm rolling out from May 1st to May 8th and increasing my strike from 190 to 195, and I can expect a net credit of at least $221. And it filled at $221. And since I think this is a good price for NVIDIA right now, and I think it's likely that these shares are going to be called away from me at some point, I would like to add a few shares to the account. So I'm going to go ahead and buy 5 shares. And that filled at $199.13. I rolled the covered call out to May 29th and up to $200. The $18.68 premium has a negligible effect on the account, but if these shares are called away, I have increased my strike price by $10, so I would get an additional $1,000 if these are called away. I rolled the cash secured put out 7 days and increased my collateral requirement from $19,000 to $19,500. My premium of $219.68 gives me a very solid annualized rate of return of 58.74%. And then I bought 5 shares at a cost of $995.65. The 2 contracts that were expiring today are now closed. My total expense is now $20,629.18, and I have 175 shares for an average out-of-pocket cost per share of $117.88. Today's net liquidating value for the entire NVIDIA position is $33,659, giving me a current profit of $13,029, part of which is realized gain from the options premium and part of which is unrealized gains on the shares. I don't do this very often, but one of the columns that I keep on this spreadsheet is my total options premiums. So I'm going to go back and sum up the income that I've made just from options since I opened this campaign on August 1st, 2025. So in the last 9 months, I have brought in $9,377.63 just in options premiums around this position. And some of that I have turned into ownership by reinvesting in shares of NVIDIA. I started with 150 shares, and I'm now up to 175 shares. I'm still thinking about what my takeaway is from that, because this has not been pure cash since I've been turning it into ownership of the shares. But it is an interesting number for me to check in and sum from time to time. I'll be back on Friday, May 8th to make a decision about this cash secured put, and we'll see where things stand then.